Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am going to show you how to do a ladder stitch. This stitch is perfect for sewing two pieces of fabric together invisibly. First, thread your needle with a piece of thread that matches the color of your fabric. Tie a knot at the end of the thread and insert the needle into the seam allowances of one of your fabric. Next, bring the needle up through the fabric on one side of the seam about 1/4 inch from where you started, and then insert the needle into the fabric on the other side of the seam directly across from where you came up. Now bring the needle up through the fabric on the opposite side of the seams about 1/4 inch, and from where you insert it last time, then insert the needle into the fabric on the other side of the seam directly across from where you came up, and repeat this process until you have sewing all the way down your seam. Make sure to keep your stitching evenly spaced and tight enough to hold the fabric together, and but not so tight that they pucker off distort the fabric. And when you are finished, tie a knot in your thread and trim off any excess, and that's it. You now have a perfectly visibly seam that looks like it was sewing by a machine. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to do a ladder stitch for invisibly sewing. With a little practice, you will be able to use this technique to sew all sort of things together seamlessly. So guys, I just wanted to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means the world to me, and I couldn't do this without you. Creating content that entertain and inspire you is my passion, and I am grateful for the opportunity to do what I love every day. And whether you have been following me from the beginning or just recently discovered my channel, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I am committed to bringing you the best content possible, and I am always looking for ways to improve and grow as a creator. Your feedback and comment are incredibly valuable to me, so please keep them coming. If you have not already, please consider subscribing to my channel so you never miss a new video. And if you enjoy my content, please share it with your friends and family. Once again, thank you for your support. It means more than words can express. I can't wait to continue creating content that bringing joy and inspiration to your life. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Till then, bye, take care.